kuona katika Mombasa hii.
Kata bedni kwana marji mayudo tuo mar ayaki pacho kao selwar kuwuok $1.2.4 higa mar 1984 nyaka $1.4 sani. Jokanyo ma ochung'ne kedo gi tuone pod oramo ni owinjo duok kwana no piny kaka achiel kuom yore mag chopo ne jopiny. Duol ma ochung'ne kedo gi tuoche mag nyeye ne obago tiegruok ne Jofwambo e boma ma Machakos. Jatelo mar duolno Edwin Kimutayo kwa Ten County mondo oriw gi lwedo e duoko piny chuth kwana mar ji mayudo tuo mar ayaki gigeto tieko chutho kwana ma medore mar ji magamo tuono kochopo higa mar 2030. E Afrika mangima, Kenya en namba 7 gi kwana mar ji 1.4 manigi tuo mar ayaki.
Positives coming from that end. We're seeing instances where there's a reduction in specific areas in terms of new infections, and that is what we are doing to ensure that we maintain that.
Particularly, we are concerned about the issue of adolescent pregnancies and sexual and gender-based violence in relations to new infections, because we have noticed that in the counties in Kenya where we have high number of adolescent pregnancies, high number of sexual and gender-based violence, also we have high numbers of new HIV infections. So we have this robust whole government, whole society approach, which needs to have everybody, every stakeholder and every partner on board towards mitigating these trends. Also, we are talking to the cultural and traditional leaders, such that in every small baraza, in every village, in every small hotel, the issue of ending AIDS can be discussed and discussed openly.
Yeah,